First, I want you to just stop and think for a minute about your money mindset. Where are you at right now? If you had to rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being scattered, unfocused, unclear, uncertain, feeling afraid about your money reality, are you a 0 or are you a 10? 10 would be like, yeah, baby, I'm all the way in NFA moneymaker mode. I'm doing what I love. I'm attracting clients and customers my way. I'm clear about my marketing message. I feel like a manifestation master. That'd be a 10, where you're like on your way and every day you're waking up feeling inspired, alive, on fire, and moving in that direction. So just get honest with yourself. Where are you in that realm first? And think, okay, if I'm at a 5, that's okay. There's room to up level. If you're at a 0, that's okay. There's room to up level. And the thing I want you to remember is no matter what number you're at, there's always room to grow. Money maker mindset is an ongoing life journey, right? Because as I've said before, when I've talked about Money Block's profile, and the results you get there, you are going to experience different money blocks at different points in your life and business. And every time you break through to a new level, it gives you the opportunity to grow a new level of yourself. So I always think of growth as an upward trajectory spiral. It's not a straight line, right? We don't go from like point A to point Z in a straight line. Instead, it's this upward spiral of growth where we're up and we're feeling great, and then we're riding the wave of that, and then we're at the bottom, which helps us break through and get refined through challenge and through understanding what we want to create more of. If we didn't have challenges, we would never grow. Then once you break through that challenge, you break through to the next level of yourself, and you're going to keep repeating your money blocks just in different ways, in different contexts. So the gift of cultivating a powerful NFA moneymaker mindset is that you have the tools to move through your spiral more quickly and more poised. So you have a more balanced approach where you go, oh, I see that all things are for my benefit and for my growth.